Okay, in this bite-sized grammar review, I want to talk to you about perfekt, that's the conversational past tense in German, with regelmäßige Verben, regular verbs. So the most basic, normal, non-complicated form we have consists of two parts. So the first is a helping verb. Usually that's haben. So you say something like ich habe, I have, and then you need a past tense form like machen is a regular verb, so we could use that as our example. The participle that you're going to make is going to have a GE at the beginning and a T at the end. So you're going to say ich habe gemacht, right? Of course, with machen, you need something to do, right? So ich habe Musik gemacht oder ich habe Hausaufgaben gemacht. Ja? Ich habe ich weiß nicht, was ich noch machen kann. Aber es gibt viele, viele Sachen, ja? Ich habe Yoga gemacht. There we go. So for the just most basic, simple form of how to do conversational past, you have your helping verb conjugated in second position. That's a present tense conjugation of haben. So ich habe, er hat, du hast, wir haben, all those. And then at the end of the clause, you have your participle, which is the verb form that you get when you remove the en from the end of your infinitive and you swoosh that stem in between g and t. So gemacht. For tanzen, it's getanzt. Now, wir haben getanzt, zum Beispiel. Okay, that's the easier one. There are some more complicated ones that use sein as a helping verb. These are change of location verbs primarily, but also some change of state verbs. So if you're going from one place to another, like with the verb reisen, to travel, then you're going to use sein. So reisen, das ist regelmäßig. You take the en off of reisen, you get reis. You put that in between a g and a t, you get gereist. Now all you need is to make a sentence. So you say, ich bin gereist. Oder wir sind nach Deutschland gereist. Yeah? So you have helping verb in second, Partizip am Ende. Das ist alles.